Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to begin? Open Nike Run Club and grant GPS, Bluetooth, and motion access so the app can record metrics. Once done, tap Workout, then choose Indoor Run or Treadmill mode. This tells the app to use cadence rather than GPS. Make sure your phone or paired watch is secured where stride and motion are detected. Now set either time, distance, or leave it open-ended. This first step starts the recording framework we'll build on. Next, you calibrate so the app maps cadence to treadmill pace. Run 1 to 2 minutes at a steady speed, then compare the app's pace readout to the treadmill. If it's off, repeat briefly to stabilize cadence detection. Make sure audio cues and split alerts are enabled so you'll hear pace changes and intervals. These guide you through effort. If you have a paired watch, use it for continuous heart rate and cadence, because phone sensors can be less consistent indoors. When you complete your session, press stop, then save to record distance, splits, cadence, and heart rate. Once saved, sync to the cloud so your run appears across devices and in training plans. Add a tag or brief note to mark effort or treadmill incline. If metrics look incorrect, first toggle Bluetooth and motion permissions, restart the app, and run a short calibration interval again. This fix solves most indoor tracking mismatches and keeps your data reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.